My name is Sulebay Diaz, and I will say about electrical nature of matter. Scientists say that all matter is made of tiny particles, is called atoms, and atoms are building blocks of all matter, and the atom composed of many particles that are called electrons, neutrons, and protons. The center of the atom is nucleus, and the nucleus composed of protons and neutrons. Scientists have accepted that electrons have negative charge minus, and protons have negative charge positive charge plus, and the electrons revolve around the nucleus at very high speed, and neutrons haven't got charge, and it held together with proton in nucleus, and the, most atoms are electrically balanced. We can call these atoms neutral atoms, and neutral atoms have the equal charge, equal negative and positive charge. That since protons and neutrons located in the nucleus, and the protons and neutrons are not free to move from one atom to another atom.